And last but not least, the 1958 Jaguar XK150. We were just talking about Jaguar, and he says it way cooler than I do. Nick does.
Jaguar.
Yeah. Black over black, rebuilt 3.4-liter double overhead cam inline 6, 4-speed manual, four-wheel disc brakes, stunning restoration, plush leather interior. This is a stunning car.
It's a good one.
It's as elegant as they come. Another black on black Jaguar XK. Just hard to beat that. And just one of those cars that I think will always be important in the hobby and always be something to... I
don't know what that means.
I don't know what that means either.
Hunchback in Notre Dame just came in.
Is it lunchtime?
It's a bell ringer, baby.
It's lunchtime. That's what that means.
You made it sound very desirable.
Yeah.